Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a PrizePicks account. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in PrizePicks, and once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you tap on it, you'll be seeing or you'll be redirected to the PrizePicks homepage. Now on top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing the sign up option. Simply tap on that or click on that, and once you're inside there, here you will be asked to enter in an email. Now all you gotta do is enter in your email and then tap on continue, and once you're done with that, you need to enter your full name, type in your first name and then type in your last name and then click on continue. And once you're done with that, you need to enter your date of birth. Once you are done, click on continue, and once you're done with that, enter in your address, and once you enter in your address, click on continue. And once you're done with that, what you need to do is lastly create your password. All you gotta do is enter in your password and must contain at least one uppercase letter and must be 8 characters long, and you need to check this small box. By creating an account, you agree to PrizePicks terms and services. All that's done, click on create account, and that's basically how to create PrizePicks account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.